Hello dear kids, a very warm welcome to my English class. I hope you all are good, you all are doing well and you all are hale and hearty in your homes. And at the same time, I do hope that you all are watching the videos regularly on a daily basis so that whatever is taught in the class, you can learn it. जो भी वीडियोस में मैं एक्सप्लेन करती हूँ, I explain the same thing in my online class the next day. So if you have seen the video, if you have gone through the video, it would be better for you to understand. अगर आपने वीडियो देखा है तो नेक्स्ट डे ऑनलाइन क्लास में आपको समझना भी इजी होगा और आपको अगर कोई डाउट है, इफ यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम यू कैन आस्क मी. ओके, सो दैट इज व्हाई आई कीप ऑन इंसिस्टिंग, आई कीप ऑन सेइंग टू वॉच द वीडियोस ऑन अ डेली बेसिस. मैं इसीलिए हर सब्जेक्ट की हर क्लास में आपको बोलती हूँ कि वीडियोस जरूर देखो. ठीक है, सो लेट अस स्टार्ट द क्लास नाउ. In my previous video, I started with English grammar. Okay, I started with English grammar. First chapter was alphabetical order. As I told you, जैसे मैंने explain किया कि order का मतलब होता है किसी भी चीज को proper sequence में लिखना. ठीक है, किसी भी चीज को proper sequence में लिखना, प्रॉपर ऑर्डर में लिखना, उसकी करेक्ट प्लेस पे लिखना. ओके, सो अल्फाबेट्स, द ग्रुप ऑफ लेटर्स विच आर नोन एज अल्फाबेट्स, दे ऑल्सो हैव अ स्पेसिफिक प्लेस. ऑल द लेटर्स ऑफ इंग्लिश अल्फाबेट हैव अ स्पेसिफिक प्लेस. हर एक लेटर की अपनी एक स्पेसिफिक जगह होती है. हम उन लेटर्स को उसी जगह पे लिखते हैं. We cannot change the order on our own. कि हमें ये लेटर पसंद है, इसको हम पहले लिख दें, या ये लेटर अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, इसको बाद में लिख दें, ऐसा नहीं होता है. We cannot change the order of the letters. Okay? So alphabetical order is a sequence in which all the 26 letters are arranged. Okay? So we know that there are 26 letters in English alphabet and we had learned about English alphabets through our very first poem, alphabetical song or alphabet song rather. Okay, हम सबने alphabets के बारे में जो सबसे पहले हमने पोएम पढ़ी थी उसमें हमने पढ़ा था, the poem was alphabet song, and through that poem we learned about all the alphabets and their order. Okay, so now we know the proper order of English alphabets. अभी हमें पता है कि इंग्लिश जो लेटर्स है, जो अल्फाबेट्स है, उसमें लेटर्स का प्रॉपर ऑर्डर क्या होना चाहिए, हम कैसे लिखते हैं. Then I had explained about writing the words in alphabetical order also. मैंने ये भी एक्सप्लेन किया था कि हम वर्ड्स को अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में कैसे अरेंज करते हैं. ठीक है, उसको एक बार वी विल जस्ट रिवाइज इट वंस एंड देन वी विल प्रोसीड टू द नेक्स्ट लेसन. ठीक है, एक बार मैं बस एक्सप्लेन करूंगी सो दैट अगर किसी को भी थोड़ा याद ना हो तो याद आ जाएगा, एंड देन वी विल मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट चैप्टर. ओके, सपोज I write the name of 5 animals. Tiger, elephant, cat, jackal, panther. Okay, these are the 5 animals. Now we have to arrange these names in alphabetical order. So मैंने क्या बताया था कि when we have to arrange the words in alphabetical order, we see the first letter of each word. Okay, so first letter of tiger is T, then next is E, then next is C, then next is J and P. Okay, so now we know the first letters of each word. Now out of these alphabets, T, E, C, J, P, which letter comes first? The letter C. Then next comes after C, E. Then next letter would be J. Then after J, K, L, M, N, O, P. P, then Q, R, S, T. Last would be T. Now we can write the names of the animals. C is cat, E is elephant, J is jackal. Jackal is सियार. ठीक है, jackal means सियार. Then P is Panther, panther. सी देखो मैं टाइगर की स्पेलिंग गलत लिख रही, TIGER. Panther is cheetah. Tiger. Okay, so this is how we arrange the words in alphabetical order. So I hope this is clear to everyone. ये सबको याद आ गया हम कैसे लिखते हैं. Now today we will start the next chapter, which is vowels and consonants. Okay, the next chapter is vowels and consonants. So this is unit 2 of English grammar. This is unit 2 English grammar, and the chapter unit is vowels and consonants. Okay, vowels and consonants. In the poem Alphabet Song, we learnt about English alphabets and we learnt about vowels and consonants also. So okay, so this chapter is like revision also. इस चैप्टर को पढ़ने के बाद vowels and consonants के बारे में और अच्छी तरह हम जान लेंगे. Now in this chapter, the children will revise vowels and consonants. Okay, in this chapter we will revise vowels and consonants because we have already learnt about them through the poem Alphabet Song. Alphabet Song poem में हमने English alphabets, alphabet order, vowels and consonants सारी चीजें हमने पढ़ी थी. So here in this lesson we will revise what are vowels, what are consonants, how many vowels are there and how many consonants are there. Okay, so we all know there are 26 letters in English alphabet. ये सबको मालूम है कि English alphabet में 26 letters होते हैं. There are out of these 26 letters, जो 26 letters हैं, first let us write the 26 letters. These are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, these are the 26 letters in English alphabet. Now out of these 26 letters, there are 5 special letters. Okay, there are 5 special letters. They are also known as famous 5 friends. 26 letters में से 5 special letters हैं, and those special letters are also known as famous 5 friends. Now what are those letters? Those letters are A, E, I, O and U. Okay, these 5 special letters are A, E, I, O, U, and they are also known as famous 5 friends. So they are known as vowels. Okay, so vowels are A, E, I, O, U. These 5 are vowels. Okay, and rest 21 letters. How many letters are left now? Out of 26, if you take out 5, then 21 letters are left, and these 21 letters are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These 21 letters are consonants. Okay, so out of these 26 letters, 5 are vowels and rest 21 are consonants. Okay, so that means in English alphabet में how many letters are there? There are 26 letters. In English alphabet, 26 letters are there. Okay, and out of these 26 letters, we have vowels and we have consonants. Okay, in English alphabet 26 letters are there. Out of these 26 letters, we have vowels and consonants. How many vowels are there? Vowels are 5 in number. They are A, E, I, O, U. These are 5 in numbers. They are A, E, I, O, U, and consonants are rest 21 are consonants. They are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, these 21, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. These 21 letters are consonants. Okay, so out of 26 letters of English alphabet, 5 are vowels and 21 are consonants. ठीक है, जो vowels होते हैं वो जो साउंड वाले वर्ड्स होते हैं जिनसे हम साउंड निकालते हैं, ए, ई, ओ, ठीक है, जो साउंड निकलती है, दोज आर vowels. Okay, so there are 26 letters in English alphabet. Out of them, there are 5 vowels and 21 consonants. So I hope this is clear to everyone. Now we will start with the exercise. Okay. Now first I will write set of few letters. ठीक है, मैं कुछ letters का set लिखूंगी and in that set you have to circle only the vowel. So first I will write the sets. Okay, they are B, C, E, F, S, T, W, A, then O, R, Y, X, M, N, P, I, F, U, V, Z, Q, V, G, E. Okay, I've written few sets of alphabet, and in this you have to circle only the vowel. Okay, so now let us do it. First is B, C, E, F. Okay, so out of B, C, E, F, which letter is the vowel? इसमें से कौन सा letter vowel है? B is not a vowel, C is not a vowel, E is the vowel. So we will circle E. Okay. Then S, T, W, A. S, T, W, A. So which letter is the vowel? The letter A. So we will circle it. O, R, Y, X. Which letter is the vowel? The letter O. Okay. So we will circle the letter O. In M, N, P, I. M is a consonant, N is a consonant, P is a consonant, I is a vowel. So we will circle I. M, N, P, I. Okay. Then F, U, V, Z. F is a vowel. F is a consonant, U is a vowel. So we will circle U. Then Q, V, G, E. Q, V, G, E. Q is a consonant, V is a consonant, G is a consonant, and E is a vowel. So we will circle E. Okay. Similarly, in the second exercise, this was first exercise. Second exercise is circle the consonants. In this exercise, we circle the vowels. In this exercise, we will circle the consonants. Okay. Okay, these are the sets of letters. Now in this you have to circle the consonant. In this we circle the vowels. Here we will circle the consonants. Okay, so first is A, E, I, D. Now which letter is the consonant? A is a vowel, E is a vowel, I is a vowel, D is a consonant. So we will circle D. Okay. Then C is a vowel. C is a consonant. I is a vowel. O is a vowel. U is a vowel. So we will circle C. Then A is a vowel. E is a vowel, U is also a vowel, J is the only consonant. So we will circle J. Here O is a vowel, U is a vowel, A is a vowel, X is the only consonant. Circle X. Then U vowel, V vowel, V consonant. So we will circle it. Okay. Then E is a vowel, I is a vowel, A is a vowel, P is the only consonant. So we circle it. Okay. So I hope this is clear. इसमें कोई डाउट नहीं होना चाहिए and I'm sure होगा भी नहीं. Sets of letters are given. You have to either circle the vowels or circle the consonant. या तो vowels को circle करना होगा या consonants को circle करना होगा. So out of the given letters, अगर circle करना है consonants को तो only one consonant would be there, और अगर circle करना है vowels को तो only one vowel would be there. I'm sure you all remember it now. A, E, I, O, U are the vowels and rest 21 letters are the consonants. Okay. Now third is this exercise. These exercises are on page number 9. The third exercise is fill in the blanks with correct vowels and learn the spellings for spell well activity. Okay. What you have to do is in this exercise, fill in the blanks with correct vowels. Fill in the blanks with correct vowels. Okay. Now I cannot make the drawing. I will write the spelling. So in the spelling, you have to complete the spellings by filling in the vowels. मतलब spelling में जो blank space है उसमें only vowel will be there. ठीक है. उसमें हमको सिर्फ vowels ही fill up करना है. A, E, I, O, U. We have to fill up only vowels. ठीक है. So let us start this exercise. First I will write the words. These are the 6 words, and now you have to complete the spelling by filling in the blanks with vowels only. मतलब ये जितनी blank spaces है वहाँ पे only vowels will be there. Now you can see the picture in your book. आप अपने book में picture देख सकते हो. First picture is parrot, and what is the spelling of parrot? The spelling of parrot is P-A-R-R-O-T. So A and O both are vowels. A and O. So spelling of parrot is P-A-R-R-O-T. Double means जहाँ एक कोई भी लेटर कंटिन्यूअस 2 टाइम्स आता है. ठीक है. B-P-A-R-R. ओके. अगर एक R यहाँ पे आ रहा है, एक R यहाँ पे आ रहा है, then we do not say double. Any letter which comes 2 times together, जैसे एक साथ में ही 2 बार अगर आता है, if it comes 2 times, then we say double. Okay. So P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. The second is B-T-T-E-R. In the picture, you can see, in the book, you can see this is the picture of butter. And what is the spelling of butter? B-U-T-T-E-R. E-R, butter. Okay, in the picture you can see, this is the picture. मैंने बोर्ड पे ड्राइंग्स तो नहीं बनाई है, but you can see the drawings in your book. So this is the picture of butter, and the spelling of butter is B-U-T-T-E-R. Again, T is coming twice, one after another. एक के बाद एक T आ रहा है, तो we say B-U-T-T-E-R. You can read it as B-U-T-T-E-R also. इसमें कोई गलत नहीं है. आप इसको B-U-T-T-E-R भी रीड कर सकते हो. There is no mistake. इसको हम B-U-T-T-E-R भी बोल सकते हैं, और we can say B-U-T-T-E-R. Okay. Now third picture, as you can see, is the picture of a computer. The picture of a computer. Then what is the spelling of computer? C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R. Computer. You have to learn the spellings also. This is the spell well activity. That means you have to learn the spellings. Okay. So C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R. Computer. Fourth picture, as you can see, maybe the picture of a queen or princess. But then it can be a queen, it can be a princess also. But then the word which is given starts with Q. Okay? Word किससे start होता है? Q से. तो princess word तो P से start होता है. So that means it is queen. So what is the spelling of queen? Q-U-E-E-N. Queen. Okay? So you can say Q-U-E-E-N or Q-U-E-E-N. Queen. The next picture is the picture of a, you all know it, सबको मालूम है ये किस चीज की picture है. This is a laptop. So what is the spelling of laptop? L-A-P-T-O-P. Laptop. The sixth picture you all can see is the picture of a horse. So spelling of horse is H-O-R-S-E. So in all the words, you will see that we have completed the words with vowel only. सारे words में जो blank space पे हमने क्या fill up किया है? Vowels. Okay? P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. B-U-T-T-E-R. Butter. C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R. Computer. Then Q-U-E-E-N. Queen. L-A-P-T-O-P. Laptop. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Okay? Now let us move to the next exercise. Next exercise is complete the words with correct vowels using the hints and learn the spellings too. So now children, first you tell me whether whatever we have done today is clear to you or not. एक दिन में बहुत सारा पढ़ा दूंगी तो फिर आपको याद नहीं होगा. So today I will not proceed. जो भी rest of the exercises हैं, exercise number 4, 5 and 6. This I will complete in the next class. Okay? Today we will revise whatever we have done. जितना अभी तक हमने किया है इसको एक बार हम रिवाइज करेंगे so that you don't forget it. ठीक है, एक बार रिवाइज करेंगे जिससे कि आप इसको भूलो नहीं. ओके, तो हमने अभी क्या किया? टुडे वी हैव डन vowels and consonants. In English alphabet there are 26 letters. How many letters? 26 letters. Out of these 26 letters, 5 are vowels. So when you take out 5 from 26, rest 21 are consonants. A, E, I, O, U are vowel and rest B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These 21 letters are consonants. Okay children, so I hope this is clear to you all. And in this exercise what we have done, we have completed the words with vowels only. Word में जहाँ जहाँ भी blank space थी वहाँ पे हमने सिर्फ vowel से fill up किया है. Okay? PARROT parrot, BUTTER butter, COMPUTER computer, QUEEN queen, LAPTOP laptop, HORSE horse. Okay, so I hope children this much is clear to you. Rest of the exercises of this letter I will explain in the next class. Okay, so thank you children and thank you for attending my class. Thank you so much.